Hello everyone, I am Ajay Kumar Behra, an industry expert from 9cent.com. In this season, I will share about use and benefits of the charge to the electric arc furnace. So first I will discuss about basic pig iron used in the electric arc furnace. Pig iron is a high Fe, low residual metallic material for producing high quality iron and steel products in a wide variety of furnaces. It should not be considered as a scrap substitute, but rather as a source of clean iron units that can be used to supplement and enhance the scrap charge. Many EF melters prefer to use pig iron to blend with scrap and other feedstock materials due to its high iron content, low gangue, and chemical purity. On average, pig iron makes up between 5 to 10% of the global EF metallic charge. In some parts of the world where scrap is scarce, pig iron can be used at up to 60% of the charge. That depends upon grade chemistry. The value in use of pig iron is different for each melt shop and will depend on local scrap supply, production facilities, metallurgical practice, and steel product mix. So what are the benefits of using basic pig iron in electric arc furnace? High purity, low gangue allows for the production of steel products requiring a low residual content or for the use of higher percentage of lowest cost scrap in the charge mix. Its chemistry is known and consistent and certified by the analysis that is being done by quality control department. Chemical energy delivered efficiently by content carbon, which promotes faster melting and increased productivity. Its high density can reduce the number of bucket charge, allows for increased use of lower cost, less dense materials, and reduces storage space requirements. And also it have consistent shape and form, provide efficient material handling characteristics. And it is easy to store with no special requirements, silos, cover space, etc., and a very low rate of degradation even when stored outdoors and uncovered. Then use of ferrous rods in the electric arc furnace. Steel production in the electric arc furnace continues to grow worldwide. EF melters prefer to use ferrous rods to blend with scrap and other metallics due to its high iron and energy, carbon and silicon content, low gangue and chemical purity, rapid melting properties, as well as the for easy and automated handling being possible to top feed the electric arc furnace. Ferrous rods should not be considered as a scrap substitute but rather as a source of clean iron units that can be used to supplement and enhance the scrap charge. Then let's discuss about benefits of using ferrous rods in EF. It have high purity, low gangue, consistent chemistry, chemical energy with having delivered rapidly, continuously feeding to the furnace, easy to handle manually and ideally in automatic operation, melts faster than pig iron at lower temperature and faster dissolution, promotes foaming slag in EF, early liquid pool formation, can also be used in blast furnace, basic oxygen furnace and induction furnaces. Then direct reduced iron. The past 5 years have seen increasing in the supply of use of pig iron, direct reduced iron and hot briquette iron in the electric arc furnace. DRI should not be considered as a scrap substitute but rather as a source of clean iron units that can be used to supplement and enhance the scrap charge. DRI is a high Fe, low residual metallic material for producing high quality iron and steel products in a wide variety of furnaces. DRI is shipped as a cold DRI, but in integrated DRI, electric arc furnace mills can be charged hot directly to the furnace. Furnace discharge temperature is 650 to 700 degrees centigrade. The value in use of DRI is different for each melt shop and will depend on local scrap supply, production facilities, metallurgical practice, and steel product mix. Benefits of using DRI: very low residual element content, predictable uniform and certified chemical analysis, predictable mass and heat balances, carbon content can be tailored to electric arc furnace requirements, easier to handle than scrap, can be continuously fed to the furnace, can be hot charged in integrated plants, better slag forming, control of nitrogen in steel, melt consistency. Use of hot briquette iron in the electric arc furnace. HBI should not be considered as a scrap substitute, but rather as a source of clean iron units that can be used to supplement and enhance the scrap charge. HBI is a high Fe, low residual metallic material for producing high quality iron and steel products in a wide variety of furnaces. The value in use of HBI is different for each melt shop and will depend on local scrap supply, production facilities, metallurgical practice, and steel product mix. What are the benefits of using hot briquette iron in electric arc furnace? Let's discuss. Well, low residual element content enables production of high quality steel products for use of higher percentage of lower cost scrap in the charge mix. The chemistry is known and consistent chemistry certificated by quality control department by analysis and assist melt consistency. Consistent shape and form enable efficient metal handling and storage. Its have high density, can reduce the number of bucket charges, allows for increased use of lower cost, less dense feedstock, and reduces storage space requirements. Can be continuously charged to the furnace. It acts as nitrogen scavenger and low nitrogen content in the steel. Then use of pulled iron in the electric arc furnace. Pulled iron is a high Fe, low residual metallic material for producing high quality iron and steel products in a wide variety of furnaces. Pulled iron is prepared by pouring excess hot metal into open pits and then allowing them to cool. This is later processed using drop ball and a rock breaker to break the bigger chunks of pulled iron into sizes suitable for furnaces. It is also used as a source of clean iron units that can be used to supplement and enhance the scrap charge. It is a well accepted and established product in secondary steel manufacturing industry, which is dominated by induction furnace and electric arc furnaces. What are the benefits of using pulled iron? High purity, low gain, known and consistent chemistry, chemical energy delivered efficiently by content carbon, which promote faster melting and increased productivity. High density can reduce the number of bucket charges, allows for increased use of lower cost, less dense material, and reduces storage space requirement. It have consistent shape and form, efficient material handling characteristics. Sometimes it is a chunk type shape. It is easy to store with no special requirements and a very low rate of degradation even when stored outdoor and uncovered. Then use and benefits of recycled scrap. Steel scrap is unique, that is 100% recyclable. Steel scrap serves as the primary unit into steel making through the electric arc furnace. Melt consistency, very low residual element content in the recycled scrap. This was all about use and benefits of the scrap. Thank you for watching.